Hello and welcome to U+AI's YouTube channel called Startup Reports. I am Ranga, and here I review startups that offer products and services at the intersection of healthcare and artificial intelligence. In this episode, we will take a look at Supp.AI. Supp.AI is a free service of the nonprofit Allen Institute for Artificial Intelligence that works on building solutions where AI could be used for the common good. The mission of Supp.AI is to discover supplement-drug interactions. That begs the question of what are supplements? Supplements are really dietary supplements that we're talking of, or herbal remedies that many of us have today, right? These could be something like herbal teas, or these could be spices like cinnamon or ginger. So these are the kind of supplement, and they do have interactions with some of the prescription drugs and other drugs that we take. And so Supp.AI is really trying to discover these interactions. Now, what problem is Supp.AI tackling? Now, as we said, dietary and herbal supplements are very popular today, but they are unregulated. Supplements can interfere with prescribed or over-the-counter medications, and this is largely unknown. There is substantial scientific literature on supplement drug interactions, or SDI, and that keeps getting updated as new research and experimentation surfaces. That said, all of this information, good information, is locked up in scientific literature, and it's really not available to a user when he needs it. So we really need an easy method to keep track of up-to-date supplement drug interaction information. And that is what Supp.AI is offering. So Supp.AI has actually built an easy-to-use web interface where you can type in a query for a drug or a supplement, just like you would do a Google search. And this leads to automatic extraction of the evidence of supplement and drug interaction from the scientific literature. Now, to make this clear, what I did is I went to Supp.AI and typed in ibuprofen. Now, immediately the page that came up said that there were 80 possible interactions between ibuprofen and the following supplements. And you can see the supplements down. Some of them that you recognize is probably caffeine, which is in coffee. So it says there are 13 papers that report the interactions between ibuprofen and caffeine. And if you see arachidonic acid, there are about 27 papers that report that interaction. Now, if you double click on that, this is what you will see. Essentially, it will expand all the papers and it will highlight the line where the interaction between ibuprofen and arachidonic acid, or AA, has been mentioned in that paper. So this is very useful, and you can quickly get to exactly where the interaction has been mentioned in each of those papers. One more example that I show here is, an Indian supplement. It's called ashwagandha root powder. It's used as supplement and even in many Ayurvedic preparations. Now, when I typed in that, it showed me that there are 13 possible interactions between ashwagandha root powder extract and the following drugs and supplements, and they include important ones like thyroxine. Right? So just another example here. So what has this resulted in? Now, this has resulted in a corpus, an AI curated corpus of about 2,044 supplements, 2,700 plus drugs, and overall, Supp.AI has been able to mine over 60,000 supplement drug interactions. And how has this been possible? By digesting over 22 million PubMed abstracts. Now think about that. If you needed a human or even a human team to digest that many abstracts to create this, it simply wouldn't have been possible. So what's my take? Definitely a very useful application for the common good. Many of us, including me, we do take supplements on a daily basis, but we are really unaware of the complications, if at all, it may cause when taken in combination with the drugs that we consume. So certainly I see this as a tool that spreads the awareness regarding supplement drug interaction. Certainly, this is also a case where it clearly demonstrates the value of AI. As I said, it would simply not have been possible for a human or a human team to digest this much information and present it in a meaningful manner. This is an excellent and well thought out use case where natural language processing or NLP techniques may be used to extract relationships. I see definitely this can go even further. And this work lays down an important stepping stone over which more user-friendly apps may be built. Imagine, let's say I'm going to a store trying to buy supplements, and when I buy a supplement, I point my mobile phone to that, and the certain app, understands the supplement. It knows already what are the prescribed drugs that I'm taking, and let's say it were to flash a warning or tell me about possible harmful interactions of the drug that I've been prescribed with the supplement that I'm about to buy at the store. Now, that would be very powerful. Such apps can be built over this framework that has been provided by Supp.AI. So certainly very useful. Thank you. If you like that perspective, please do like the video on the YouTube channel. Do connect with me on LinkedIn and follow my online handle U+AI on Twitter, SoundCloud, and Medium. I'll see you again in the next episode. Enjoy.